Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in this occasion, I will tell some story about the Lake of Mercy, a journey through the Sirah from our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let's start from the birth of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Over 1,400 years ago, in the blessed city of Makkah, a child was born who would change the world forever. His name was Muhammad, son of Abdullah, from the noble tribe of Quraysh. His father had passed away before he was born, and his mother, Aminah, lovingly raised him. He was sent to the desert to grow up strong and healthy, cared for by Halimah, his foster mother. From a young age, he was known as Al-Amin, the trustworthy. People admired his honesty, kindness, and character. Revelation at Hira. At the age of 40, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam would often retreat to the cave Hira, seeking peace and reflection on life. One night, everything changed. The angel that we call Jibril appeared and said, "Read." Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "I cannot read." The angel embraced him and repeated, "Read in the name of your Lord who created." It was the first revelation of the Quran in the Al-Alaq in the first ayah. Second, he rushed home to his wife Khadijah, who comforted and supported him, become the first to believe. The message and the struggle in Mecca. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam began to preach Tawhid, the oneness of Allah, and to reject the idols worshipped in Mecca. Some listened, many resist. The Quraysh mocked him, hurt his followers, and tried to stop the message. But the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood firm, never giving up. Among the earliest believers were the poor, the weak, and the oppressed, and Islam gave them hope. He was overwhelmed, power, and marriage to stop praising. But he said, "Even if they place the sun in my right hand and the moon in my left, I will not give up this mission." Hijrah to Madinah and a new chapter. After years of persecution, Allah gave a way out. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers migrated to Yathrib, later known as Madinah. There, the Muslims were welcomed. They built a new society based on justice, compassion, and unity. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam became not just a spiritual leader, but a statesman and commander. The brotherhood between the Muhajirin migrants and Ansar as helpers become an example of the true unity. Victory, mercy, and farewell. After many years of struggle, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned to Mecca peacefully. He forgave those who once hurt him. He didn't seek revenge, but instead entered the city with his head lowered in humility. He purified the Kaaba and declared, "There is no God but Allah. Muhammad is his messenger." Shortly after delivering his farewell sermon, where he reminded people to treat each other with kindness and justice, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away. But his message lives on in our hearts, in the Quran, and in the example he left behind. He came as a mercy to the world. He taught us to be honest, just, kind, and patient. This was the life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the final messenger, a light in the darkness, a guide for all humanity. Okay, I think enough from my storytelling. I hope this is useful for you. Thanks for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.